Every morning all the ladies of Nadia would come to Mother Shachi's house. And they would leave their own sons uncared for in their homes and run to see Gaurahari. They could not start their day without the darshan of the sweet lotus face of Gaurachandra. Every day they went, impulsively and spontaneously, to see Nimai. Somehow they managed to pass the nights in their own houses, but at daybreak they would collect many food items and rush to Nimai's house. They would come before Nimai and say, Nimai, if you dance nicely, we will give you a reward with this kheer and rasgullas and sweet rice. So they would clap their hands, and he would dance for them, and then he would get all these nice sweets. Sachimata's heart would bloom with happiness as she gazed upon Nimai's moonlight face. The pastimes that Lord Chaitanya enjoyed in Jagannath Mishra's house are just like the pastimes that Gopal Krishna enjoyed in the house of Yashoda. Nanda and Yashoda. It says Gopal Krishna here. It means Krishna when it's small.